Welcome back to ThinkEmpire. Today, we'd like to introduce the tax class option, an easy way of searching for properties specifically by their tax class. Let's say you wanted to find properties in Astoria, Queens with a tax class 2. Simply click on Advanced Search, select from List, and select Queens Astoria. Be sure to apply this filter. Let's say you also wanted to focus specifically on 50 to 55 unit properties. Enter this. Then scroll down to Use and select Search from List. You'll then be able to narrow the search down to only tax class 2 properties. Apply this filter and the site will generate a list of properties that meet your criteria. To view the details and documents regarding a singular property's taxes, select this property and scroll down to the tab labeled Taxes. Under Reference, you'll be able to find more detailed information about the property tax classes themselves and how they are calculated. Under View All documents regarding the specific property's taxes can be found under the New York City Department of Finance. There you have it, the future of real estate.